My name is Urmila Nivangune. Today's topic is string buffer and string builder classes, and today's date is 31st of December 2021. So, let's come to our topic, that is string buffer and string builder. These both are predefined classes in Java. There are three types of classes which are used to define or display sequence of character. As we discussed earlier or previous video, we know less about string. String is also predefined class, and these three classes which are used to display the sequence of character are string, string buffer, and string builder. Among three, string is immutable in nature, and string buffer and string builder are mutable in nature. All these three are predefined classes in Java. That means these classes are already defined and written in Java documentation. In order to use these classes, we just have to define or declare the packages into which that classes are present. Then string, as we know, that is immutability can be a disadvantages of string, because we can't do any modifications in the strings. That means once we define a string, we can't modify it. In order to change uh, some strings or some sequences, we have to use string buffer and string builder classes. These two classes are invented for overcome the disadvantages of string class. Then we will see both of these one by one. First one is string buffer class. String buffer class is invented in JDK 1.0, and Java string buffer is synchronized, that is thread safe. That means two threads that are two different threads can call the methods of synchronized classes. That means string buffer classes simultaneously means uh, in parallelly. And then string buffer is a pure class of string that provides much of functionalities like string. For example, mm, replace, reverse, append, concatenate. These classes are not provided, or these functionalities are not provided in string, because string is immutable. And as we are overcoming the disadvantages of string in string buffer class, these functionalities are provided, and these functionalities are used for modification in our original string and display the string. That means we are performing operation on that particular string, and again, instead of saving these modifications in next string or in another string, we are modifying that string only and displaying that string only. Then, just like string buffer, string builder class is invented, and it is invented in Java JDK 1.5. String builder class is not synchronized in nature. That means two threads are can't call the methods of synchronized string builder class. That means it two threads of that particular object can call the same method from string buffer, or sorry, string builder class. Then it is used when there is a necessity of modification in our program. String buffer is just like string builder is just like string buffer, but only difference is it is not synchronized. and string buffer is synchronized. And string builder is used when there is no question of security, because threads can share same objects of any class, that means string builder class. So that is all about string builder and string buffer classes. Thank you.